Hello everybody, my name is Minty Shapeboy. You may know of me from the amazing cover of The Last of Us main theme. People have been wondering how I played it because I played it so well, so here I am doing a tutorial. This is a preview. There. So, the notes for it are D, 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 for D is an octave higher, A flat G, F, D, F, G, or so, um, fourth fret twice, then, fourth string twice, fourth string open, second string free, then third string 2, 1 open, then free, fourth string open, free, open on the other string, which is that is the bass version, which is fourth string twice, and 12th fret, then 7, 6, 5, free, open, free, 5, like that. Thank you all for watching. This has been a great video for the tutorial of The Last of Us main theme. See you all next time.